8 times 8 equal to what? Look, 8 times 8 equal to what? If you consider this 8, this means that you have to write this 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, like this 8 times. And if you add this 8, you will get 64. Multiplication means repeated addition. So we are adding this 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and you will get 64. 8 times 8, 64. Okay, we can also use the multiplication table of 8. 8 times 0 0, 8 times 1 8, 8 times 2 16, 8 times 3 24. To find out the multiplication table of 8, just add 8, 8 with the previous state. 0 plus 8 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 8 32, 32 plus 8 40, 40 plus 8 48. This process will continue, and 8 times 8 64 you will get.